What's up everybody? Welcome to my new episode. I'm going to show you the beautiful Caribbean island of St. Maarten. But first thing first, let's get started with all the requirements. St. Maarten requires all travelers to submit a negative PCR COVID-19 test result within 120 hours, which is 5 days before arrival. All you have to do is go check the website and fill out some information and the test result. You will receive authorization pre-approval just in a couple hours. Just keep in mind to keep all the documents with you. You will need to show those at the airline counter and when you arrive the country. And you are set and good to go. Good morning guys. It is 9:15 in the morning. It's so early. No judging. I'm not a morning person. But it's worth it to get up early because I am heading to St. Maarten. Yeah. Miami on Friday. It's real busy here today. Heading to St. Maarten. Today is my first day in St. Maarten. We're gonna find a fun activity. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm at the Maho Beach where the airport, international airport, is St. Maarten here. And it's one of the most scariest landings airport in the world. Over there. And it's such a beautiful beach. And we're about to see the final proof. The airplane about to land in St. Maarten together. So close. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Alright guys, we are going to see this giant plane taking off from St. Maarten. This is absolutely one of the most dangerous places to watch airplane take off and landing. In July 2017, the 57 years old New Zealander has been standing at the fin that separates Maho Beach and the runway. She has been killed by the jet engine that blew her away. So this is absolutely not the place for those of you who really like or skiing. Now it's time for beach. St. Maarten is the island of 37 beaches, and Kupokoi Beach has come to the top of my list. Beautiful turquoise water, beaches surrounded by limestone creek. It is located on the Dutch side, close to French border. Please be aware, this is a clothing optional. Nearby there is a dramatic cave. It's a great place for Instagram photo, and I sure there's a lot of pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, driving in St. Maarten is a little challenging. There's so many left and right. A lot of hills here, a lot of car, and a roundabout. Well, enjoy the ride. you know, guys, St. Maarten or St.Maarten. It's divided by two countries, which is Des or Netherlands and France. And we are at the France now. We are about to cross the border. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to France. Where is it? Here we come. And we are about to cross the border. We are in France. This Villebert now, we're one of the most tourist city in the island. But look at this, it feels like a ghost town. We had no tourists, no store or anything open at all. Empty, not even a tourist to walk, or even a local. Hey, look at this. Although our whole island is slow because of the pandemic, you still can find a great spot with a great nightlife. There was still a bunch of great restaurants open and places to hang out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy it.